It is very dreary outside. And yeah, I'm just checking in. I actually don't really have much about today. The most that I did was work. And then now I'm home. And nothing really has happened. This is probably going to be a very uninteresting Vlogmas. Hopefully not completely uninteresting. And hopefully you guys actually don't mind my first attempt. But as you guys saw in my last upload, which went up today, which is December 3rd, which is going to be the first episode of Vlogmas, was me decorating the tree with my mom. Still having some sound issues, but that is hopefully going to be fixed on Sunday because my mom, as a birthday present, got me this really cool stand that I can plug in that has an external mic that actually I can carry around, so I'll be able to have better sound quality, especially when I'm at a distance, instead of it sounding like I'm underwater. So I do apologize for that. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying very, very hard. But yeah. So now I'm actually just here because I was cleaning up. Oh, look at my tree. It's not lit up, obviously, because it's too early to light it up. But right now I'm going to be finished cleaning up because we kind of organized our apartment. It's so dark in here. I feel like I need to turn on a light. Okay, hold on, let me turn on the light because there's a hallway light on, but that's because I'm working in the hallway. How's that? My apartment is a wee bit messy. Look at that. You can actually see the mess. All that's getting thrown out, so don't mind that, holiday season, trying to clean and get everything ready. But I wanted to sit down and kind of just be like, thank you for everyone who watched the first episode of Vlogmas. I really do hope that you guys enjoy it. I am trying very hard to do this because I really wanted to try this year, but like I said in the first video, vlogging every day is too difficult for me because I work and I would not be able to vlog anything of interest. The only upside is that, as I mentioned in my first vlog, that I got offered a job. And the only thing I didn't say is that it's actually another contract position, but it's with the same company, which is pretty awesome. So that means that I'll be able to continue working there. And I'm getting to work from home for a month or so, or 2 months, because going into next year anyway. Right now we're gonna be working remotely and I officially start on Monday. So I think in the previous Vlogmas, sorry. In the previous Vlogmas I mentioned oh, I'm gonna be working on Monday. I found out that I'm actually gonna be starting on the 7th and not the 21st. So that's going to be exciting. I'm excited and I'm also nervous. So this should be interesting. It's up my alley. It's not working in administration. It is working in administration. Actually, no, it is working in administration, but I'm not an administrative assistant. I'm not an office administrator. I'm not doing that, but I'm dealing with a lot of paperwork and stress and high turnover. I look like an egghead. You can't even see. Look at that. I look like an egghead with my little bun, but whatever. What I'm hoping to do is get the rest of the gifts ready. I was supposed to wrap them in the last vlog and I just ran out of time. So hopefully you guys will get to see me wrap some gifts. I'm using brown paper and string, and hopefully that's cute with just a permanent marker. Really simple, really basic. Everything is recyclable and that's what I want. And yeah, and then I placed an order on, I don't even have it here. I'll insert images here. I placed an order on the site from a former coworker. We used to work together when we worked at TNT. She has a jewelry company and everything is either sterling silver plated in gold, stainless steel plated in gold, gold filled, and I think also copper covered in gold. The stuff is beautiful. I picked up some gifts from there and also some stuff for myself. I'm not going to show you what I picked up for the gifts because just in case anyone sees this, but I will show you the items that I am looking at. It's called Dora K Jewellry. She's a sweetheart. But yeah, so I'm going to link that below. So that's actually something I think you guys will like that. So if you're looking for some sweet gifts, she does ship to the US and within Canada. In Canada, she uses Canada Post. I literally ordered the items yesterday and they're shipped already. So pretty quick shipping if I do say so myself. So hopefully I get that in the next couple days. And yeah, that was actually what I wanted to follow up on. I'm going to show you some of her stuff from her site that I'm interested in and show some gift wrapping and last minute Christmas ideas. I feel like I've been in the same outfit for both clips, but this is actually the next day because I would say the hardest thing about working from home is probably getting distracted or having people like call for you when you're busy and stuff. But yeah, I'm in the same sweater. I'm well aware of that. I look like it's the same day, but I promise you it's not. But it is very overcast today. Just like glare. My nephew is here because my mom is watching him, and he also has school, so it's crazy. So online schooling is nuts to me because of the fact that I didn't have that when I was going to school, due to the fact that I went to school before there were even real computers in schools. But he had to do like these assignments, and I was just like, this is tricky. Kids, he's 4 using a laptop to do school, like just wow. And I'm here trying to figure out like what I'm gonna do. I had to do some stuff for work because I officially started on Monday. I think I've said that already. I also had to ordered a laptop stand from Amazon for my computer. So like I have my own setup for like my Mac and stuff, as you guys have seen. It's the wood riser and the cradle, I guess you could call it. But I ended up buying an aluminum ergonomic one for my work computer that acts as a riser and a laptop stand, so it's 2-in-1. That way, when I'm working at my desk, I'll be able to have my laptop be here, and then keep my personal laptop to the side, and then have my work one. I'm also thinking about potentially getting an external keyboard that is wireless, because typing on an upper angle is kind of weird to me, so I was looking for that. And I'm just prepping. My room is so dark though. Is that better? That's a little better. It's a little better. But I'm gonna check in with you guys a bit later because I have to wrap some stuff, and I have some parcels that are being delivered for Christmas gifts. Hopefully either today. God, I hope today. My mom woke me up. I look crazy. But whatever, it's fine. Wow, I'm really asleep. It's Sunday, and I'm actually literally asleep, so my eyes are watering because I just woke up. But I really just want to go back to sleep. But apparently my mom has other plans of me waking up. So now I have to get up, even though I would much rather stay right here in my bed. And that is me making up my bed. So tired. So tired. Yes. So if you guys don't know, I have a podcast with my boyfriend called Awkward and Black. I'm going to link it down below. Pretty much we talk about everything from social black issues, what's happening in general media, sometimes even celebrity news and random topics that come up. But the episode that I'm uploading right now is actually almost done. It's the one that we had with local R&B artist Del Hartley, so it's the entire episode that you guys can check out. So I'll link that down below for you guys to check that out if you're interested. I'm really tired. This is really bad. And I have to brush my teeth. I was charging my toothbrush. Yes, it's in my room right now because my boyfriend brought me the brush. He got me the pink one, so I need to brush my teeth because I charged it. The cool thing about this toothbrush is that the charge lasts for a month, so I literally have to only charge my toothbrush once a month, which is pretty awesome. I have to put you guys down somewhere, but I don't know if you'll fit in yours since you're on a tripod. Let's see.
don't fall. I'm trying to put you somewhere. This should be interesting. I don't know if you guys will actually. If talking to yourself you mean by vlogging, then yes. So every time my mom hears me talking to myself, she assumes I'm just talking to myself. So if you heard that in the background, that is her assuming that I am crazy. Bless me. Okay, so, wow. Stuffy knows much. Okay, so I already brushed my teeth. My mom made me tea. But I wanted to show you guys the stand that I got. So I got this stand off of Amazon. It's aluminum and it's an ergonomic one. I like it because it has these like slip pads, which are awesome. And then it has little feet. And the cool thing about this is that these two bars just lock into this piece and it just kind of sits there. So this is going to be awesome for my work computer because it's going to raise it up for me. And still looking for a good external keyboard because I have an external mouse, but I would like to have an external keyboard. That way I can like type and stuff, but I think that this is going to work out really well for the time being. So I wanted to show you guys that. This is one of the things that I got from Amazon yesterday, other than my tripod that you can't see because you're on it. So that's pretty cool. And the toothbrush, so the charging base, oh, it's still plugged in. I should unplug that, shouldn't I? The charging base for my toothbrush from Brush is like a little pad. It just sits on it and it comes with its own cable. This is actually pretty awesome because, like I said before, it holds a charge for a month. And it now comes in more colors. So when I got it, the one that my boyfriend picked up for me at the time, it only came in all black, all white, or pink handle white head. And now it comes in like a red and a yellow, a blue, the white, the black, and the pink. But I think they changed it up now. So like I think the charger actually matches the toothbrush. So that's actually pretty cool. So if you guys are looking for a new... Oh, and I think Kevin Hart is now the spokesperson for Brush, I can never pronounce that. But it's hilarious, but I love it. I think it cleans your teeth for 2 minutes and it has different options. So you have like regular daily whitening, all this stuff. I actually think that my teeth feel so clean. And it's $79. And if you do the subscription, you get sent three new brush heads every 6 months. But when you get the toothbrush, you already have the 3. So the one that's on the brush plus an extra 2, and every 6 months it sends you new brush heads. And I think if you enroll in it, you save like 15% or something like this. This is not sponsored or an ad. This is actually just from the website. My boyfriend enrolled it for me, so he gets sent my brush heads and then he just gives them to me. But it's really, 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 really cool. I like the fact that I don't have to think about it, and it times it for 2 minutes, and you brush your teeth, and you have like 7 different functions. There's functions for, like I said, for whitening, for daily use, for your gums, your tongue, and some other stuff. It's actually pretty awesome, and my teeth feel extra clean. But yeah, I need to get food. But I'm really like lazy right now, but I really should actually get food and stuff like that. Let's do that. Quick wardrobe change. I'm wearing my Uniqlo Heat Tech. You can't even really tell because it's literally black on black. I'm wearing the top and the leggings, and then I'm wearing my Aritzia like long cardigan in black. And then I have on old Lululemon socks. It ruins the whole black aesthetic, but they're comfy socks, so. And I need to now go help my mom with my crazy hair put up a set of curtains that she picked up. So we're gonna do that, I guess. Hello. This is several hours later because now I have a headscarf on because I did my hair, and I need to start prepping to make food. And the food that I am making is a HelloFresh recipe. I am making Chorizo risotto with feta and corn. So this is what we're cooking tonight. Yummy. So this should be really, really good. But I was doing my hair. I will be wrapping gifts. I keep getting sidetracked to doing other things, and that's the only reason why I have not actually done it yet. But I wanted to just like check in, drink some water. You know, my mom decided to paint the back of our apartment door. because it was bad before. Let me show you. So that's the door. I know there's still mess. That's more garbage that has to go out. That's the door there. I think it looks a lot better. It was like this ugly brown, pretty much natural wood color, and it was ugly. Now that it's not that color, it's actually gonna look a lot better. So yeah, so that's one thing that we got up to. And I just watched the movie The Hunt, and it stars Hilary Swank in like the lead character role, I guess, like the antagonist. It's a satire of I think it's a satire of the divide in the States between like Republicans and Democrats. Honestly, if you like satires, I'd watch it. It's actually quite good. People are it's actually kind of insane, the movie itself, but the concept is actually pretty cool. So if you're into that kind of stuff, I would definitely watch it. Like, I thought it was pretty good. And this is when I'm gonna get to cooking. I'm gonna put Sailor Moon onto the TV and go from there.